To create beautiful functional to-do lists in Google Docs, open a Google Doc file and place your cursor where you want your to-do list to appear. Type opening and closing brackets and press space. Now the brackets will get reformatted to a functional checkbox. You can type out your task after the checkbox. To add a new to-do, just press enter and Google Docs will automatically add a new checkbox in a new line. Now you can directly write the to-do. If you want to add a subtask, just press tab and that to-do item will become a subtask. If you want to make an already existing task a subtask, just place the cursor at the start of the text after the checkbox and press tab. The to-do item will become a subtask. And to bring it back as a main task, press Shift tab and the to-do item will move back to the main task list. Once you finish entering to-dos, tap on the enter button twice or the enter button and then the back button to exit out of to-dos. These checkboxes are not just eye candy, they are functional too. Once you finish an item, you can click on the checkbox to mark it as done. The text will show a strikeout indicating the done status. This works not only on browser version but also on the Google Docs mobile app. Here also just type opening and closing square brackets and press spacebar to create a to-do list item. So this is how you can quickly create beautiful and functional to-do lists using Google Docs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Newbie Helper channel for more videos like this. Thank you again for watching. Have a happy day.